Hey guys, this is Al. Now today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do unlimited wholesale real estate deals all across the country. If you want to learn how to do that, this is the video for you. Guys, let's get into it. All right, so let's say that we wanted to do wholesale deals all across the country, or any type of real estate deal, basically all across the country. One of the best websites to find deals is actually Craigslist.org or Craigslist.com. Now, here's the thing. The problem with Craigslist is that usually when you're doing a search on Craigslist, you have to go by city and you have to search by state, or you have to search by area. And what happens is, if you want to expand your real estate investment activity so that it's nationwide, it would take forever, basically searching page by page, county by county, state by state on Craigslist. So there is a solution, and the solution is search Craigslist.org. Now, search Craigslist.org allows you to search all of Craigslist. All right, now here's the thing. When you go to the site, you're going to see a search box like this. And basically, you can put in anything you want to put in. I put quotations around my stuff because I need to make sure that that specific search title will be in the description. All right. So that's what's important to me. Now, you can put it in with motivated seller, or whatever term you want to look for, or whatever thing that you feel like you can use to find deals. All right, if it's a fix and flips or what have you, whatever you're looking for, you basically put it in there with quotations around it. Now, all right, let's get started here. You just click on search. All right, when you clicked on search, first you're going to see some sponsored ads at the top. What we're looking for is actually the stuff that is the organic searches. So when we look for the organic searches, we can pick any one we want. It doesn't actually matter. We can pick anything, but basically it's a search that has to do with the whole of Craigslist. All right. So we're going to just pick this ad right here. All right. So we got this great looking property. We can see that we probably got a motivated seller because this property is already vacant. It doesn't look too bad. It looks like it needs some minor stuff here and there. But the bottom line is all we have to do is contact them by the telephone, or we can hit reply. We can send them an email, or if they have a number for texting, we can send them a text. But the question is, how do we distinguish ourselves from everyone else that is sending them an offer or an inquiry? And this is where we get into the next tool. And this next tool is completely free, and it is awesome. All right, so the next tool is a voice recorder. Now, it's an online voice recorder that you do not need to download. It's online-voice-recorder.com. Now, basically, this is probably one of the best tools. Now, let me explain how you use this. All right, so let's say that you got their email, but you want to have your email stand out from all the other emails that they are receiving. So what happens here is that you record a message by just clicking on this red button. You record your message. You can basically say, hi, I saw your ad on Craigslist. I am very interested in purchasing your property. If you would like to close quickly for all cash, please contact me at blah, 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 or visit me on my website at blank, 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 blank. All right. My contact information is also located in this email. All right. Now you can say that. And what happens is you can say that after you click on this little red button. It basically records everything you say. It has an auto silence trimmer. Basically, you can move the beginnings and the ends of the audio recording. so that you can just have the main meat of what you're trying to say. All right, so and then what happens is you save it, it downloads as an MP3, and that MP3 you can put as an attachment in your email, and then you send it with the header voice message recording or voicemail recording. They, of course, are going to think it's a voicemail from their phone or something like that, or they may be wondering, what voicemail could they possibly have? But the bottom line is it's not the same as everyone else. This is a game changer as far as getting attention and getting your message across. And this is an easy to use free tool that is available online. Now, I use this tool because I've been sending voice messages to clients for years. It gets the message across. If you mess up, of course, you can just re-record it and send the one that actually works. All right, so this is an awesome tool that will distinguish you online as far as a professional that is marketing, and you can do it in such a way that basically you get noticed. All right, so those are the two tools that will help you to get more business, do more deals, get more leads, and so on and so forth. Now, if you'd like to get more information about how you can grow your real estate investment business, whether you're a wholesaler, a short seller, a fix and flip investor, or a buy and hold investor, if you'd like information on how you can do basically all your real estate investing better, subscribe to this channel. And also, if you would like to learn real estate investing from somebody who's been in the business for years, click the link below this video. We are looking for people that we can partner with across the country, and also we'll show you basically how to make money in real estate investing. All right, guys, I hope you got an awesome blessing from this video, and subscribe to this channel. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.